That bathroom renovation you are planning for 2026, it could look outdated before the grout even dries. Some of the most popular bathroom trends are officially dead, and if you are not careful, you will waste thousands on a space that screams 5 years ago. The average bathroom renovation costs between $10,000 and $30,000. Here is the painful truth. Many homeowners are spending that money on design choices that are already on their way out. I have gathered insights from the National Kitchen and Bath Association, top interior designers, and the latest design reports to show you exactly what to avoid. Today, I am counting down 15 bathroom trends that are officially out in 2026, and more importantly, I will show you exactly what to do instead. I have organized these from the cheapest fixes to the most expensive mistakes, so by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to focus your budget. Stick around until number 1, because it is the most expensive mistake to fix. Excessive grout lines and standard subway tile. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association's 2026 Bath Trends Report, 89% of homeowners surveyed are looking to minimize or remove the grout lines on their floor. Designer Caroline Kopp from Westport, Connecticut confirms, grout is the part of the bathroom that generates the most angst and dissatisfaction. Grout-heavy bathrooms can feel delightfully retro, but they often feel old and outdated. Oversized tile creates a serene, almost seamless look, totally in contrast to the busy subway tile of yore, Kopp says. What to do instead? California designer Rosanna Basford recommends selecting large format tiles of 24 inches by 24 inches, 18 inches by 36 inches, or even larger. Standard size subway tile used as the only wall surface is officially out, according to Decorilla's 2026 report. Overly styled and cluttered bathrooms. Your bathroom should feel like a Zen spa retreat, not a home decor store. Countertops cluttered with decorative items, fake plants, and accessories are making bathrooms feel chaotic instead of calming. Open shelving has been on trend for years, so why is it getting tossed out in 2026? It comes down to function. While some people have the time and patience to keep shelves organized and clean, those with busy lifestyles find maintaining open shelf displays difficult. Even if you manage to keep all your towels displayed like a freshly prepared hotel suite, you still have to address the problem of regular cleaning to prevent issues with mold or bacteria. In 2026, trends favor designs that consider realistic bathroom needs. What to do instead? Smart hidden storage solutions. It is about finding balance, not going so minimal that you strip out storage and comfort. Backlit high-tech mirrors, when poorly executed, can feel futuristic in theory, but disappointing in practice. The lighting is often unflattering, and the controls are confusing. Technology shapes bathroom design trends for 2026 in ways that blend naturally with daily life. Mirrors now feature LED backlighting, anti-fog technology, built-in speakers, and digital displays that make morning routines smoother than ever. But the key is quality and integration. What to do instead? If you want tech mirrors, invest in quality. Otherwise, a classic framed mirror paired with wall sconces on either side gives you better, more flattering light, and adds personality without the complexity. Matte black hardware. Matte black exploded in the 2010s and the early 2020s, but designers confirm it is stepping aside in 2026. According to Good Housekeeping's expert roundup, black faucets and hardware are going to sit this year out. They have had their turn to wow us with their dramatic contrast, but now their classier older siblings are coming out to play, and they are less heavy. Here is the practical nightmare. Water spots, drip toothpaste, soap residue, and other gunk that are unavoidable in a bathroom are highlighted by the high contrast backdrop of black fixtures. Limescale buildup poses similar problems, but unlike traditional metals, you cannot solve the problem by polishing a matte black fixture. Even worse, unless your fixtures are top quality, the finish can flake off over time. Chips and scratches that reveal a bit of the gray metal underneath are more obvious in a black finish than in, say, a pewter one. What to do instead? Choose more traditional metals like brushed nickel, brass, gold, and even chrome, which are seeing a resurgence in design. Homeowners are finding these finishes easier to keep clean, and they bring a warmer, softer feel to bathrooms. Country Living reports that silver finishes like chrome and nickel are getting their chance to shine in 2026 after years of being considered dated. Bold color blocking. Bold blocks of contrasting color on bathroom walls might work in fashion or kids' rooms, but in bathrooms, it creates a jarring, unsettling effect rather than the Zen spa vibe people actually want. Bathroom design trends. 2026 create a unified feel that looks like all finishes are sharing the same material or tone. Stone from a single slab may run across the counter, then extend down the side panels and into the flooring. What to do instead? The concept is color drenching, enveloping the entire bathroom in variations of the same color family. Tile work follows similar logic, with floors and walls laid in matching dimensions, so joints connect cleanly from plane to plane. Metal trims and fittings are finished to blend with the dominant surface, avoiding visual breaks. Alright, we're halfway through and heading into the more expensive mistakes to fix. Quick question for you. Which of these trends is currently in your bathroom? Drop a comment below. I'm genuinely curious. And if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button because I've got the biggest budget killers coming up next. Accent walls, the mullet of bathroom design. Having one dramatic statement wall while everything else is plain now feels incomplete and dated, like wearing one statement earring after that trend has passed. Bathrooms are opening up in 2026. Open concept designs with barrier-free showers, frameless glass, and floating vanities create the illusion of more space while maintaining a serene, spa-like flow. This requires cohesive design throughout, not one party wall. What to do instead? Commit fully to your design. Wrap your tile around the entire bathroom, or follow designer Jenny Mars and choose natural materials like stone and wood to replace cool grays and stark whites, instantly warming up colder feeling spaces. All gray bathrooms. Gray was the go-to neutral for over a decade, but in 2026, gray is officially out. According to My Homebook's 2026 report, gray in all its shades was considered modern for a long time. Those decorative mosaic strips running horizontally through showers were peak early 2000s design. They break up the visual flow and date your bathroom instantly. Anyone who has ever cleaned grout between tiny mosaic tiles knows beautiful and practical are different things. What to do instead? Tile drenching is hands down one of the most impactful ways to create a dramatic and high-end feel in any bathroom, according to Good Housekeeping's Designer Roundup. Use continuous tile throughout your shower, with subtle variations in texture or shape. Pure white on white bathrooms used to scream fresh and clean. Now they just scream hospital. According to Decorilla's 2026 report, pure white clinical color schemes with no tonal variation are officially out. White glossy tiles were long seen as the epitome of modern bathroom design. Today, however, they mainly appear impersonal and sterile. The trend toward naturalness and coziness has displaced the clinical look. Instead of smooth, reflective surfaces, matte, slightly textured materials are now in demand. Currently popular are microcement, lime plaster, or porcelain stoneware with a stone look, which give the room a natural depth. What to do instead? Soft ivory tones, warm stone, and soft greens will become increasingly popular, says Laura Hammett. Vessel sinks are declining fast. According to a 2025 bathroom industry report, vessel sinks hold about 23% of the market share in the sink category. That is down from 35% 5 years ago. Undermount sinks now hold 41%, making them the clear industry leader. One of the biggest complaints? Cleaning. Because vessel sinks sit above the countertop, there is always a small gap at the base. Even if it is sealed with silicone, over time it can darken, develop mold, or show stubborn spots. Modern bathrooms now favor clean lines, seamless integration, and low-maintenance surfaces. In that context, traditional vessel sinks can feel a bit stuck in the past. What to do instead? undermount, or integrated sinks. Good Housekeeping reports that designers are now specifying carved stone sinks, integrated vanities, and freestanding tubs with soft curves. Bathrooms are becoming architectural moments instead of afterthoughts. Okay, we are now entering the top 4, and these are the absolute worst mistakes you can make in a bathroom renovation. These are the ones that will cost you the most money to fix if you get them wrong. I am talking potentially tens of thousands of dollars. So if this video has helped you avoid even one costly mistake, do me a favor and share it with someone you know who is planning a renovation. It could literally save them thousands. Now let's finish strong with the top 4. Faux wood look tile in showers. Here's the problem with wood look tile on shower walls. Everyone immediately knows it's fake because nobody puts real wood in a shower. It fails the believability test on site. Designer Jenny Mars confirms that natural materials like stone and wood are replacing cool grays and stark whites. But wood belongs on vanities, on floors where it makes sense, and on accessories, not on shower walls. What to do instead? For shower walls, stick with stone look tile, or other natural materials. Micro cement is a frontrunner when it comes to trends. Designer Ami McKay says the first time she encountered micro cement was in Italy, and she fell instantly for its texture, at once beautifully tactile, yet clean and minimal. Glossy surfaces and slippery finishes. Installing natural stone or tile that glistens in natural light with a glossy finish can feel like having the luxury of a palace in your own home. But it is best to keep it out of the bathroom. No matter how careful you are, the bathroom is bound to collect more moisture than other rooms in the house, which makes slips more likely. Glossy finishes are inherently slippery, even when they are dry, and they increase the risk of accident or injury. Plus, the reflective finish may not provide the comforting environment that is trending in 2026. Glossy white tiles, while bright, can appear clinical and show every imperfection. What to do instead? Move toward matte, honed, and textured surfaces that feel warmer and are safer. Cheap Fox marble tile. This mistake is everywhere in flipped houses. Those large format porcelain tiles that imitate marble seem like a budget-friendly luxury choice, until you realize they only have 3 to 4 vein patterns that repeat so obviously. Our eyes have been trained to spot fake marble instantly. We have seen so much real marble on Instagram and Pinterest that cheap imitations look glaringly obvious. What to do instead? In 2026, we are seeing a huge push toward bathrooms wrapped in a single, luxurious stone. From the floors to the walls to the vanity and the shower, one singular moment highlighting a unique stone is a real showstopper, says designer Nicole Hirsch. If you are choosing porcelain, invest in high-end versions with 15 to 20 different face patterns, so the veining reads natural and varied. This surprised many, but freestanding tubs are losing their crown. According to Good Housekeeping's designer survey, designers say we are going to see a strong return to drop-in and undermount bathtubs in 2026. The freestanding tub absolutely had its moment, but clients are gravitating back toward function and beauty. An undermount tub can be paired with a generous ledge, the perfect place to style florals, candles, collected objects, or to rest a book and a glass of wine. There is something unmistakably luxury hotel about that built-in silhouette. Trends in 2026 are particularly mindful of sustainability. Extra-large tubs and spa baths use substantially more water than a standard tub, which is far from eco-friendly. Plus, the added maintenance of jet tubs can end up being costly and stressful down the road. What is replacing them? Deeper soaking tubs or vintage styles create a more relaxing atmosphere that is on trend. Smaller, more thoughtful, and more water efficient. Trends that are worth following in 2026. Now, I do not want to leave you just knowing what not to do. Here are 3 trends to follow. Number 1, warm nature-inspired palettes. Warm neutrals like beige, taupe, grege, which is gray, plus beige, and cream are becoming increasingly popular. Earth tones such as terracotta, clay, and sandy hues provide a cozy, grounded backdrop. Nature-inspired greens such as sage, moss, and pistachio are gaining traction for their restorative, spa-like effects. Number 2, Spa-inspired functionality. Designer Nareed Saeed from New Interiors told Good Housekeeping that people want to feel warmth and safety, and the bathroom is a place to have that really resonate. Relaxing with a dark wall color or tile helps to bring us down from a chaotic day. Number 3. Smart, layered lighting. Uniform lighting levels that ignore task and ambient needs are out. Designer Jen Dean confirms we are using layered, programmable lighting that shifts from bright morning light to warm evening glow. Think sunrise to candlelight, all in one room. It is a game changer for how the space feels. The thread connecting all these dying trends? We're leaving behind the cold, stark, clinical era of bathroom design. In 2026, it's all about warmth, natural textures, cohesive design, and spa-like spaces that make you feel comfortable and cared for, not like you're standing in a hospital or a flip that's trying too hard. If you're planning a renovation, bookmark this video. Before you commit to any design choice, ask yourself, is this timeless, or is this a trend that will date in 5 years? Your future self and your wallet will thank you. If this video saved you from even one of these expensive mistakes, smash that like button and subscribe for more design tips. Drop a comment telling me which trend surprised you the most, or confess which ones are currently in your bathroom. No judgment. I'll see you in the next video.